Hello, my name is Alamin Haider Aliu. I am a student at Ahmadu Bello University, a 300 level student at studying international relations. I am also a developer and the founder of Univermia. So, what is Univermia? Univermia is a learner management system that was built to help streamline educational processes for various or millions of learners across the country. At its core, like every other good platform, Univermia allows for course enrollment, student and instructor interaction, progress tracking, and then quizzes to test your understanding. But what sets us apart from other learner management platform is the offline support. So it's offline support, low data connectivity, because we understood for millions of users across the country, they saw they suffer greatly from data connectivity and connection issues and high cost of data across the country. Also, I believe that learning should speak your language, so we are incorporating local language into the platform. We are using artificial intelligence to do that. Last but not the least is leveraging blockchain technology. We believe learning should be decentralized instead of being centralized, which means, for example, if there is a course or there's a course on a platform, users can collectively vote for that course to be free. So, and it is going to be free because no one, it's the people, the community what control the learning. It's a community learning platform, so it will be enforced by a smart contract. Also, we create a tamper-proof certificate, which is NFT, also leveraging blockchain technology. Thank you.
My name is Musa Muzamin. I shall add more to what my team lead said about Univermia project. I shall be sharing my screen to discuss more the key aspects of Univermia, including the problems, the solutions, what we project, what we are futuring in Univermia project, and what will be the benefits to the citizens, students, Nigeria in general. Here is the key reasons why we are creating this project. Because looking at the educational system, we have fragmented learning resources where students cannot find a particular material that talks about a particular thing. Students are left to go and search throughout the internet, sometimes coming to meet material that does not even relate with the course. Another issue is difficulty in tracking progress. Many lecturers cannot initially track how progressing a student is or what is the major issue why students are having problem with a particular course. Hence, they might go on what we call review where students will write on paper, but that might not help. Statistical reviews might be needed, and our project provides such. Another issue again is lack of diverse learning option. You do not get diverse learning option. You are restricted to courses from a single institution, limiting exposure. We should, as a student of university, you should have access to different schools materials because the schools are obviously interconnected, doing the same curriculum. So you should have different people's material with different knowledges so that you can grow your own better. Then limited interaction between instructors and students. Yes, this is very true. We observe that there is poor relationship between students and lecturers, whereby some students do not even know the name of their lecturer throughout their stay in the university. And this is very poor because as a lecturer and as a student, you should be able to interact positively that the society will grow because the students are the next generation of scholars. If there is no good interaction between the students and the lecturers, obviously such a student may not have access to reasonable activities or reasonable instructions that may boost his morale or motivate him to become a better person in the society. Another issue is no customizable learning path. Courses are often generic, making it difficult for students with different skill level to follow a personalized learning journey. Every student has his capacity of learning. The lecturers may not have time. In fact, they do not have time to start looking at everyone's capacity and coming down to their level to teach the courses. Hence, they just have to take some analysis, general analysis about certain percentage, and take their lessons based on those percentage. Had it been there is a place where lecturers can understand every student capacity, then make available resources that can meet every student's potential. This will actually improve the learning system in our states and in our country particularly. So hence we look at these problems and we find that this is reasons and opportunities for us to bring in solutions. And here are the solutions: to enhance instructors students interaction, to create diverse learning opportunities, to create interactive features for engagement. Students can engage themselves, ask questions, interact, create quizzes. Even lecturers can create quizzes for students in order to improve their learning system. Then personalized dashboards. Then we have other activities as well to engage, such as skills and so on and so forth. Now, the key features is that here in our platform, you will find different category of activities to be carried out, including your learning system, your quizzes, questionnaires, rating. You can rate courses of lecturers. How are they? Are they difficult, simple? You can rate lecturers. How are they what are their behaviors? How do you see their courses, and so on and so forth. You can be able to think if the courses are relevant to what the contemporary situation is. You can rate it as you wish. This system can be used to know how perfect the curriculum may be to fit the students' potential or the current international system potential. Then we have other places for instructors. We have dashboards for instructors where instructors go through to check the students' performance. Okay, what are the students' review on my course? How do they do? How do they feel? Things like that about the courses. And also even they can set up quizzes for the students if they wish to improve their potentials. Then these are the places where we have the courses, the name of the courses, the questions that have been given, how the marks may be rated. Then also here is an example of quizzes. For instance, this is based on skill learning, intelligence 101. So this can also be replaced with normal courses in the university. It is just a kind of prototype to see. We have places where lecturers can post their assignments rather than putting them in the class. They might just post it in the website. Then students will go there directly and access it. Then also we have other activities, like as I said before, skill learning. We have cybersecurity, we have photography, we have anything you would like to learn as a potential skill for yourself. This project will minimize the rate of unemployment, giving students the opportunity to learn skill and reduce over dependence on government jobs. Rather than waiting for government to give you job when you graduate, you start learning different skills from our website, so that by the time you graduate, you are already a skilled student with projecting and futuring skills that are needed in the contemporary system and in the world in general. So these are the few things I have to say in addition about the project that we are trying to publish. I hope and I will that our project will be put into consideration, because I'm very sure if this project should be launched, it will change Nigerian educational system and Nigerian lifestyle forever. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.